This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to Fast Food Fight. This show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them to make them look and taste like their retail products, whilst reducing the cost.
Imagine crispy onion rings served in a paper cup with salt on them. Available in medium or large for drive-thru only.
Well, for $3.95 it's a worthwhile magic trick. Speaking of cheap and greasy, once you've finished smashing me button, why don't you reach around and finger me belly? Come to the Intelligent Genius Bar. You get free bum wax. Grab 3 medium white onions and slice the ends off. Your egg wash is tempura batter, flour with an egg and some ginger beer for evanescence. Your dry batter is tempura flour, salt and pepper. Simple process, egg wash and flour. Medium-high heat on a wok on shallow fry till golden. Season and serve. I like mine with chili barbecue sauce. Ended up at $1.50. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.